Hi. Today, I will explain how the Magic Wand tool in Adobe Illustrator CC works. I downloaded images from pixabay.com. The Magic Wand tool is a tool in Adobe Illustrator that allows you to select areas of an object or image that have a similar color or appearance. To use the Magic Wand tool, select it from the Tools panel or press the Y key on your keyboard. Then click on the area you want to select. The Magic Wand tool is great for selecting large areas of an object or image that have a consistent color or appearance, such as the sky in a landscape photo or the background of a logo. You can adjust the sensitivity of the Magic Wand tool by changing the tolerance setting in the control panel. A higher tolerance will select more colors that are similar to the area you clicked on, while a lower tolerance will select only the exact color you clicked on. The Magic Wand tool can also be used to select similar objects in a document. For example, if you have a document with multiple objects that are the same color, you can use the Magic Wand tool to select them all at once. With the Magic Wand tool, you can also add or subtract from a selection. To add to a selection, hold down the Shift key while clicking on additional areas. To subtract from a selection, hold down the Option/Alt key while clicking on areas to deselect. The Magic Wand tool works best with objects that have a defined edge or boundary, such as a solid color shape or a vector illustration. It may not work as well with photos or images that have a lot of variation in color and texture. In addition to selecting areas, you can also use the Magic Wand tool to fill areas with color or apply a stroke to the edge of a selection. Simply select the area you want to fill or stroke, and then choose the desired color or stroke setting from the control panel. The Magic Wand tool is just one of many selection tools in Adobe Illustrator CC. Depending on the type of object or image you're working with, you may find that other selection tools, such as the Direct Selection tool or the Lasso tool, work better for your needs.
Thanks for watching. Please click bell icon and subscribe the channel.